This exercise illustrates mass relations in neutralization reaction. Question says, how many gram of calcium hydroxide are needed to neutralize 25 ml 0.1 m HNO3? So what are the given? We have been given volume of HNO3. So volume of HNO3 is given. This is 25 ml, and molarity of HNO3 is also given. So molarity of HNO3, this is basically 0.1 m. And what we have to calculate? We have to calculate mass of calcium hydroxide in grams. So we have to calculate now. What should be the plan for this problem? How will you proceed? Now things are easy. We have been given molarity and volume of HNO3. So molarity and volume is given. So from here we can calculate moles of HNO3. And once I know the moles of HNO3, we can write reactions, that is reaction of HNO3 with calcium hydroxide, and from there we can find molar ratio. And if I use this molar ratio to calculate moles of calcium hydroxide, and once we can calculate the moles of calcium hydroxide, if I multiply it by molecular mass of calcium hydroxide, we can get the mass of calcium hydroxide. So let us proceed. So what is given? So volume into molarity will give you the moles of HNO3. So moles of HNO3 we will have, this is equals to volume is 25 ml. So 25 into 10 to the power minus 3, and molarity is 0.1. So this is 25 into 0.1, 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 mole. And once I know the moles of HNO3, we can write reaction HNO3 plus calcium hydroxide. This will give you CaNO3 whole twice calcium nitrate plus 2H2O. We have to write 2 here also. Now moles of HNO3 is 2.5 moles of HNO3. Now from balance equation we can say when 2 moles of HNO3 reacts, same time 1 mole of calcium hydroxide reacts. So moles of calcium hydroxide is basically, if I know the moles of HNO3, 2 reacts with 1, so 1 will react with 1 by 2. So moles of calcium hydroxide will be 2.5 into 1 by 2. So moles of this is 2 reacts with 1, so 1 will react with 1 by 2. So 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 will react with this much amount of mole of calcium hydroxide. So if I know moles, so we can calculate weight of calcium hydroxide, and this is mole times molecular weight, and molecular weight is 40 plus 34, so this is 74 gram per mole. So we can calculate this value. So 0.5 multiplied 2.5 multiplied 74, and this divided by 1000. So this is 0.09375. So 0.09375 gram. So weight of calcium hydroxide is this is equals to 0.09375 gram. So this is the mass of calcium hydroxide required that can react with this volume and this molarity of HNO3. So let us do one practice exercise using the same idea, that is how many gram of NaOH is needed to neutralize 20 ml 0.15 mH2SO4 solution. And the second is how many liters of 0.5 mHCl are needed to react completely with zero point 0.1 mole of lead nitrate forming a precipitate of PbCl2. So how will you do the first one? So we have to find mass of NaOH and we have been given moles of H2SO4. So first we have to write reaction NaOH plus H2SO4. This will give you Na2SO4 plus 2H2O. Now this is the balance reaction. We can calculate moles of H2SO4. This is 20 ml and the volume is 20 ml. The molarity is 0.15 m. So volume and moles is molarity is given. We can calculate moles of H2SO4 and this is 20 milliliter, convert into liter into 0.15 moles. Now from equation we can say 1 mole of H2SO4 reacts with 2 mole of NaOH. So mole of NaOH is basically twice of mole of H2SO4. So moles of NaOH, this is basically equals to 2 times 1 mole reacts with 2 mole of NaOH. So this much mole, that is 20 into 10 power minus 3 into 0.15, will react with 2 into 20 into 10 to the power minus 3 into 0.15 moles. And we have to calculate weight of NaOH. So mole times molecular weight. So weight of NaOH will be this multiplied by molecular mass. Molecular mass of NaOH is 40. So you can do this calculation. So 2 into 20, this multiplied by 0.15 and multiplied by 40 and this divided by 1000. So this is 0.24 gram. So 0.24 gram NaOH is needed in the first case. Now B part, let us say we have a reaction between HCl and lead nitrate. So let us write reaction first. We have lead nitrate. This time this is a precipitation reaction. This is not a acid base reaction. It will form PbCl2 and it will form HNO3, 2HNO3. And now we have been given 0.1 mole of lead nitrate. So that is, this is 0.1 mole. So from this equation we can say 1 mole of lead nitrates react with 2 mole of HCl. So 0.1 mole will react with 0.2 mole of HCl. So we have mole of HCl in this case. This is basically equals to 0.2 mole. And once I know mole of HCl, and we can calculate volume because molarity of HCl is given 0.5. So molarity of HCl, this is equals to 0.5 m, and let us say volume is V. Volume of HCl used is V liter. So we can find molarity into volume is mole. So 0.5 into V, this is equals to mole, and mole is given 0.2. So from here V is equals to 2 by 5, that is 0.4 liter, and that is basically 400 milliliter. So we have to take 400 ml of HCl. So basically to precipitate or to react 0.1 mole of lead nitrate, we have to take 400 ml of acid HCl of concentration 0.5 m. So this exercise basically illustrates how can we find weight of a substance in a precipitation reaction or neutralization reaction. We can also calculate volume of a substance in precipitation reaction as well as in neutralization reaction.